Welcome to Pesto's Quick Start Guide. In just 4 easy steps, we'll help you kickstart your journey to landing your dream tech remote job. Let's start with the basics. The first step is to complete your profile. To get onboarded with us, we would like to know a little bit about you. We need some details like your current job status, your preferred working days, and ideal work hours. Add the languages you speak and your LinkedIn profile. This helps us match you with the right companies. Build your portfolio. By looking at your project history, the recruiters can get a real-world sense of your skills and abilities. For example, if you've launched a successful product on Product Hunt, recruiters will know that you have the skills and experience to bring a product to the market. Or if you've written insightful blog posts about your industry, recruiters will know that you have deep knowledge and expertise. Step 2. Take the assessment. This is the first round to qualify for Pesto. You will have 2 options available with you. Either you can take the test now, or you will have to click I will do it later. But if you choose to take the test, there will be a timer of approximately 30 minutes. The deadline to submit the test is within 2 days, but doing it sooner increases your chances of getting accepted. Step 3. Completing the project assignment. In this step, you need to complete a practical project to help us evaluate your skills further. You need to create a project on GitHub and provide us with the link. The topic is provided by the Pesto team. This time, you have 7 days to complete your project and you can create it in your favorite programming language. Schedule your interview. Once you've cleared the project assignment round, you'll have to schedule your interview. This will help us assess your experience as a developer suitable for remote jobs. Follow these steps and you are on your way to your dream remote tech job.